Hi dear students, all of you, welcome back. Unit 2 solution. Let us move towards the important concept. In the non-ideal solution are forming two types. Those were positive deviation and negative deviation from Raoult's law. Okay, this is very important. From Raoult's law. So, go for discussing characteristics of positive deviation and negative deviation one by one detail. So, first point is definition. If the vapor pressure of the solution is higher than that calculated from Raoult's law, show positive deviation. The solution higher the value is, okay, this is called what? Positive deviation. So here negative deviations, if the vapor pressure of the solution is lower than that of the calculated from Raoult's law, it is called as negative deviations. So already I explained that positive and negative deviation in graphically. Okay, one more time. See here, this is called what? This is a ideal solution, right? The normal concentration, same range of concentration. This is ideal. This shows what? Positive deviation. Okay, this is higher the calculated values. So now going to the negative deviation. This is what? Ideal solutions. This is negative deviation of non-ideals. Those are all negative, lower the value of calculated from Raoult's law. These two diagrams were mentioned in this positive deviation of this one and negative deviation of this one. Okay, so next going to the another characteristics. So like molecular level and the change in enthalpy and volume also. See one by one. Okay, next point is the nature of interaction at the molecular level or force of attraction. Force of attraction. So here A and B molecules will be less than that of the AA and BB molecules, or AA interaction or BB interactions. AA as solutes, BB as solvents. Here A is a solute, this is solvent, this is the solute interaction, this is a solvent interaction. Why this is come from less? See here. Okay, see this is a diagram. This is what? Solution. This is vapor phase. Okay, so this is called what? AB interaction. AB solute solvent interaction of molecules. So in this, less attractive, I mean say less attraction irutte. AB molecules, A and B interaction were less attractive. Either those were repulsive force, repulsive nature, that make the solutions increases the vapors. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, escape from the molecules to the vapor phases. The solution of molecules were increases to escape the vapor phases. So less attraction ಇದೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ vapor phase ಕಡೆ. So molecules, solution of molecules is go out the or escape to the vapor phases more number. increases the value of vapor phases. That's why this giving a positive deviation that make P total is increases than PA plus PB. Already in the discussed in the first earlier. So that make what? This is the solute and solvent AB interaction or molecule is less than that of the AA solute or solvent interactions. Clear? So let me go for come from this one in the point of nature of interaction or force of attraction. In the case of negative deviations, negative deviation make what? AB interaction solute solvent molecules is more than that of AA interaction or BB interaction or molecules, solute or solvent. Because same as like here you consider one beaker, they having A and B component. This is a solution, this is vapor phase. Here vapor phases, the AB molecules of interaction is very strong, that make strong attraction ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿ ಲೆಸ್ number of molecules go out to the vapor phases. Okay, so what is indicated in the negative deviation from the Raoult's law said the interaction attractive force between A and BB are weaker than that of the AB molecules. So ನಾವು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ the strong interactions irutte, the strong interaction doesn't go out the molecules to the vapor phases, decreases of escaping tendency of the molecule to the vapor phase. Okay, so that's why the interaction is more than compared to the AA and BB. Okay, next point is change in enthalpy, delta mixing H. What this indicated? In this case, is giving a positive because of heat is absorbed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, heat absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So when positive deviation is giving a positive, heat is absorbed on mixing. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಈಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಂಡೋಥರ್ಮಿಕ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್? ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಚ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೀಟ್ ಈಸ್ evolved or released. So this is what? Exothermic. Negative andre exothermic. So next point is it make what same as volume, delta mixing volume. Volume also should giving a positive because the volume is increases on mixing two components. Okay, so here delta mixture of volume is decreases because of negative volume decreases on mixing of components. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದೆ, ದಟ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಶೋಡ್ ಇಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. Okay, what are the examples? See here, ethanol, some mixing of or mixture of ethanol and acetone. This is an example of positive deviation. And next is carbon disulfide and acetone, for example of positive deviation. And go for the negative deviations are example of phenol and aniline. And second one is chloroform and acetone. Okay, so see the first example first, ethanol and acetone. In a pure ethanol, the molecule of hydrogen bonded, ethanol alli hydrogen bonded irtade, and adding acetone, so ethanol molecules are hydrogen bonded. So on adding acetone ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so what they affect, the molecules get in the between ethanol molecules and break hydrogen bonds between them. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವೀಕೆನಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೀಕರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವೀಕ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ವೀಕ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವೀಕರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಔಟ್, ದಿ vapor phases of molecule is increases, shows what, positive deviations from the Raoult's law. Okay, so next example, second one, same as like carbon disulfide and acetone. So here when carbon disulfide is added to the acetone, the dipole or dipolar interaction between solute and solvent molecules, so giving a weaker than that respective interaction among the solute or solvent molecules. So they get the weak interaction, so make the same results. The more number of vapor pressures are go out to the vapor phase, that makes show positive deviation of these two examples. Okay, let me go for here the first example of phenol and aniline. The phenol is, the structure is shows what, OH. Aniline is having C6H5 OH. This is C6H5NH2. This is aniline, this is phenol. Okay, just observe here in the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, intermolecular hydrogen bonding is formed. How they have formed intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Here phenolic group, the phenol OH is called what, phenolic group. In this phenolic group of OH of proton is H. Okay, and the lone pair of nitrogen always should having a lone pair of electrons. Nitrogen ge lone pair of electrons irutte. This lone pair of electrons of nitrogens, aniline, is stronger than respective intermolecular hydrogen bonding. They form hydrogen bond. So then get the vapor pressure of the solution becomes, the intermolecular have phenol and aniline is very strong, that make what, less number of molecules go out to the vapor phases. ಇವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವೇಪರ್ ಫೇಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ವಾಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಡಸಂಟ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಟು ದಿ molecules to vapor phases. So this is what, negative deviations. Okay, clear. The same goes to the same as like second examples. So it make chloroform is CHCl3, CHCl3, ClCl, and what is acetone double bond C. So what it is indicated, CH3 and CH3. So this is what you write, CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is acetone. Okay, so just observe here, chloroform CHCl3 and acetone CH3COCH3. So in the case, the chloroform of able to form hydrogen bond with acetone molecules. So here it is able to form a hydrogen bond. It is to get the decreases of escaping tendency of molecules, to the vapor phase. That make what? This is a negative deviations. Clear, students? These two are the very important for examination: positive deviation, negative deviation. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. You did write the characteristics, asking either difference. Okay, just note down of these 2 points. Clear? Okay, students. Last, some liquids of forms azeotropic mixture or azeotropes. Okay, so which are binary liquid mixtures having the same composition in the liquid and vapor phase and boils at a constant temperature are called azeotropic mixture or azeotropes. Liquid phase and vapor phase now boil ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ at constant temperature same compositions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. That is called azeotropic mixture. They having in these cases it is not possible to separate the components by fractional distillation. Okay, did you know that in the first PUC, fractional distillations, simple distillations, like in two liquids, they can separate out by using of fractional distillation. But these are the liquids, two liquids, but it is not possible to separate out. Why? I will tell you later. So this is one more point. Cannot possible to separate the components by fractional distillations. The azeotropes having two types. One is minimum boiling azeotropes and next one is maximum boiling azeotropes, or low boiling azeotropes, high boiling azeotropes. So see here definition. Minimum boiling azeotropes, the solution which show large positive deviation from Raoult's law called positive deviations ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, the solution is called minimum. Positive ಕೊಟ್ರೆ minimum boiling azeotropes. The example is, see here, ethanol and water. Ethanol is C2H5OH with composition of water. This is 95%, this is remaining 5%, total we get 100%. Okay, so ethanol ide or ethyl alcohol and water, those were mixed two liquids mixed together, binary liquid mixture. So here this is called what, rectified spirit anta kuda kariti. Okay, so in this mixtures will give boiling point is 78.15 degrees Celsius, the mixture giving a boiling point, but the ethanol having a 78.5 5% its boiling point, and water, you know that 100 degree Celsius it's a boiling point. The mixture is giving 78.15. This is lower than that of two components. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಗಳ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ನ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. The mixture of boiling points, the temperature at which it's lower that of the pure ethyl alcohol and water. So it is shows positive deviation because see here, the alcohol of hydrogen and water, they get forming a interaction. This is what? Less interaction, weak interactions. Weak interaction ide andre they make what? The easy to forming escape the molecules to the vapor phases, giving positive deviations. Artha aita? So in this condition, so one more point, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ದ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ನ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎವಾಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎವಾಪರೇಟೆಡ್, ಸೊ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ separate out. Maximum boiling azeotropes, the solution which shows large negative deviation from Raoult's law is called maximum boiling azeotropes. So here example, 68% of nitric acid and 32% of water by mass with boiling point 393.5 Kelvin. So here the nitric acid is HNO3 is mixed with another liquid water. So this is how much percentage is 68% plus 32% will be giving 100% by mass. So the nitric acid is boiling point 83 degree Celsius. The water is 100 degree Celsius in a degree Celsius. So mixture is formed to get the boiling point is 120 degree Celsius. Is higher the value of these individual values. So it make what? The bond between nitric acid and hydrogen is strong. So it cannot tendency to flow the molecules to the vapor phases. So shows what? Negative deviations. Okay. So one of the interesting thing is, this is also giving azeotrope. So because of is 120, the individual having 83 degree Celsius, 100 degree Celsius is lower than that values. So the fractional distillation, these two are not possible to separate because of this is a lower boiling point. They can boil easily than the actual boiling point of this mixture. Cannot be separated out of these liquids from any fractional distillation method. So this is one of the examples. They should shows the negative deviation. Okay, so here they shows positive deviations. So here is increases the vapor phases because of the less interaction, so shows positive deviations. In the case this is a strong interaction, the less vapor pressure, so shows negative deviation. So positive and negative deviation, these two come from what? Non-ideal solutions. So non-ideal solution shows the minimum boiling azeotropes and maximum boiling azeotropes under the non-ideal solutions. Okay, one more point is, so see here, non-ideal solutions form, one more point is form azeotropes. Okay, but in the ideal solutions, no form of azeotropes. Clear? This is one more point to be added. Okay, clear? Thank you.